In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix iOS 15 iPhone stuck in recovery mode during the update or restore process, and how you can fix this up. So you'll be stuck like this, and how you can fix this up completely. So some of the users are having this issue for many reasons, and they just get completely stuck and they are not able to proceed anything further, and they just feel like completely confused. And we're going to talk about how to fix this up. So we have only one solution which I would like to make you share here with you guys, because not so big. The one solution which I can give you right here is, it is called force restart. What you have to do is just have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So if you're using the latest version of iPhone like 10 and above, you can go for this method, which is known as force restart, with the following. So in order to do the force restart, if you don't know how to do this up, I'll be providing a link in the description where you can watch how to do a force restart on your iPhone. We have detailedly explained over there. Even I can give you an instruction over here which will be helping you to understand. So what you have to do is, in order to do a force restart, you have to press volume up followed by volume down button, and press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo in the home screen. Screen. This is what you have to do, and once it is done, you just have to try out, and most probably even if you try to connect your iPhone stuck in recovery mode, will not be there during the update or restore process with your iTunes. It will not be there, and this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video.